Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill property tax online Pcmc. First, navigate to the official Pcmc property tax portal. You'll need your property ID to access your specific details. This ID helps retrieve all relevant information, including past payments and current dues. The system is designed for straightforward navigation, ensuring you can quickly find what you need. We'll walk through each step to make the process simple and efficient for you. Once your property details are confirmed, proceed to the payment section. Here, you'll choose from various secure payment options, such as net banking, credit cards, or debit cards. Carefully enter all required payment information, ensuring accuracy to avoid any issues. After reviewing your details, confirm the transaction. Remember to download and save your payment receipt for future reference. It's your proof of payment. Sometimes, you might encounter minor issues during the process. If your property ID isn't recognized, double-check for typos or use the search function. For payment gateway errors, try an alternative payment method or wait a few minutes before retrying. If problems persist, the Pcmc portal offers a dedicated support section. Don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service for direct assistance. They are there to help. Paying your property tax online offers immense convenience, saving you time and effort. It's crucial to pay on time to avoid any penalties or additional charges. The online system provides a clear overview of due dates, helping you stay organized. For other great deals, and to check out those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, please see the links in the description below. We hope this guide makes your Pcmc property tax payment experience smooth and hassle-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.